Welcome back. Well, we're still staring at flat Sensex and Nifty and 1% off on the mid caps and an advanced decline, which has two stocks in the red for one in the green. That's been pretty much the picture for the past hour or so. On that note, let's welcome technical expert Samit Chavan of Angel Broking is joining us. Good morning. Samit, before I get to your bunch of stock strategies, the Nifty itself, will you play it at all or is it a no trade zone?
See, on Friday, Nifty gave a lowest weekly closing in last 13 months. All minor bounce backs during the week clearly got sold into. That clearly indicates that in the near term we are in a downtrend. It's advisable to short-term traders not to be in a hurry to catch bottoms. We expect Nifty to test 7480, 7400 levels over the next few trading sessions. Yes, as of now Nifty is holding 7600 and the daily chart is extremely oversold. We might have a minor bounce back, but it's advisable not to trade aggressively on the long side in those bounces. 7800, 7900 is likely to act as a strong resistance, and the fall after a bounce could be much sharper. Hence, it's advisable not to trade aggressively on the long side. In case of a bounce, one can go short on every meaningful bounce, probably towards say 7800, 7900. We are in a market wherein we should look for resistances to go short rather than finding supports. Thus, it's advisable to wait for a bounce. In case of a meaningful bounce towards mentioned levels, one can go short. 7480, 7400 is at the near-term levels which we are expecting.
Okay, so there is a downside in store for the markets. But coming to your recommendations, 2 sell calls and 1 buy, walk us through them.
Yes, our first short recommendation would be on Bajaj Auto for a target of 2080 and stop loss can be kept around 2250. After a sharp fall from the levels of 2550, 2500, the stock is hovering in a range of 2150 to 2200, 2250. On Friday, we witnessed a breakdown from inverted pin pattern around 2220. Thus, looking at the chart structure, we expect further downside towards 2080, 2100 in next few days. Our second short recommendation would be in Divi's Lab for a target of 2040. Stop loss can be kept at 2205. In last 3 to 4 trading session, we witnessed a sharp correction from the levels of 2400. If we look at the daily line chart, the stock has confirmed low top lower bottom formation for the first time in the recent past. That clearly indicates that the trend is downward and the stock is likely to head lower. 2040 would be our near-term target for Divi's Lab. And our final recommendation would be to buy Godrej Industries for a target of 382 and stop loss can be kept at 354. In last couple of days, the stock has shown tremendous resilience. It's been maintaining its strong support of 355, 354 on a closing basis. The hourly chart is clearly encouraging. Hence, with a near-term view, we expect a bounce towards 380, 382 in Godrej Industries. It can be bought by keeping a stop loss at 354.
All right, Samit, thank you very much for joining us. Samit's disclosures run, but I'll quickly recap what Samit has picked today. He recommends selling Bajaj Auto with a target of 2080, stop loss 2240. Divi's Labs also a sell, target 2040, stop loss 2205, and finally recommends buying at last Godrej Industries, target 382, stop loss 354.
All right, let's address the banking space.